In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive spreadsheets using Zoho Sheet. This powerful tool offers a variety of features that can enhance the way we analyze and present our data. Let's dive into how you can make the most of these interactive elements, making your spreadsheets not just informative, but also engaging and user-friendly. First, begin by navigating to the Zoho Sheet application. Here, you'll want to create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the New Spreadsheet option. This will open a blank canvas where you can start building your interactive content. With your new spreadsheet open, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Insert. This is where you'll find several options to enhance your spreadsheet. Now, navigate down to Checkbox and click on it. By selecting this, you can insert a checkbox into your spreadsheet, which can be extremely useful for creating interactive to-do lists or surveys. Now, to highlight your checkboxes, type in the word Highlight next to the checkbox area. This labeling will help users easily understand the purpose of the checkbox. It's always important to keep your spreadsheet organized and user-friendly, so don't skip this simple step. Next, head over to the Data tab located on the top menu. Here, you'll want to select Data Validation followed by Create Validation. This feature allows you to set criteria for the data that can be entered into your spreadsheet, helping to maintain data integrity and consistency. Choose List from the validation options. This allows users to select from predefined options, making data entry more efficient and reducing the likelihood of errors. In the validation box, type in the specific criteria you want users to choose from. Once done, you can click OK to apply these settings. Returning your focus to the newly created list, you should now see the highlight option we've just set up implemented into the drop-downs. Users will now be able to choose from this list when interacting with your spreadsheet, adding a layer of interactivity that enhances the user experience. Back in the Insert menu, you'll also have the option to add a chart by selecting Chart and choosing your preferred type of chart. Charts can visually represent your data, making complex information easier to understand at a glance. Remember to choose a chart type that best suits the data you're working with. For an even deeper level of data analysis, go back to the Data tab and click on Pivot Table. This feature is excellent for summarizing large datasets and exploring different data points dynamically. Select Source to determine the data range for your pivot table and then choose the desired location within your spreadsheet for the table to appear. Finally, click OK, and your interactive spreadsheet will have a dynamic pivot table ready for analysis. With these steps, you'll have transformed a basic spreadsheet into a powerful interactive tool, making your data not only presentable but also much more engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Continue exploring these features and experiment with them to create spreadsheets that truly wow your audience.